In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a ChatGPT conversation as a link, step by step. This process is straightforward, but having a clear guide ensures you'll be able to share any conversation you want without a hitch. Let's kick things off by heading over to Google. Open your preferred web browser, Chrome, Firefox, Safari, whichever works for you, and in the address bar, type in Google and hit Enter. You'll be redirected to the Google homepage, which is your starting point for the next step. Now type ChatGPT into the Google search bar. This query will bring up a list of links related to ChatGPT. Among the results, look for the official ChatGPT website. Clicking on this link will take you directly to the ChatGPT platform. If you have an account, go ahead and log in to access your previous conversations and interact with the AI. Once you're on the ChatGPT site, navigate to the Conversations section. Here, you'll see a list of all your past interactions. Browse through the list and select the specific conversation you'd like to share. Opening the conversation allows you to review its contents and ensure it's the right one. In the upper right corner of the conversation window, you'll spot a Share button. Go ahead and click it. This action will trigger a pop-up with options to share your conversation. Among these options, you'll find Copy Link. Clicking this button will copy the conversation's unique URL to your clipboard. This link serves as a direct gateway to the conversation for anyone you decide to share it with. Now that you've got the link, it's time to share it. Open any browser or application where you can paste text. This could be a social media platform, an email, or a messaging app. Paste the link into the text box. This step is as simple as right-clicking your mouse and selecting Paste, or using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+V on a PC or Command+5 if you're on a Mac. Finally, to ensure the link works properly, test it out. Open a new tab in your browser, paste the link into the address bar, and hit Enter. This will take you directly to the shared conversation, confirming that the link is functional and ready for others to view. And there you have it, a perfectly shared ChatGPT conversation link. Following these steps will make sharing your informative or entertaining chat exchanges a breeze. This skill can be handy for collaborating with friends, sharing insights, or simply showcasing interactions that were particularly noteworthy. Give it a try and happy sharing!